You together if you want.
How did I convince restaurant owners that I'm an health inspector?
Welcome to the countdown. Christmas time. Hey, alright. 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 Welcome to burritos. Hey. Anyway, box cover, this is TheDuttyBerry and welcome to the start of the December season of the social media countdown. People, can you believe it that we are nearing the end of 2023? Like the year, it'll end too fast. But anyhow, we'll have really for topics to jump into, so let me not waste on the time. Do the usual, subscribe if you're new, like, comment, share, comment already now because I know the countdown is about to be good. So let's get right into it.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Oxtail Debate. My Christmas dinner. Okay, burritos now. So, dancehall queen Spice sat down with American pop culture enthusiast Jesse Wu, and they had quite a discussion as to whether or not Jamaica have the real, authentic, good up oxtail, or was it a particular place over in Africa? Let's hear how the conversation went.
I always even say as a Haitian, Jamaicans make the best oxtail. But when I went to Ghana, the oxtail was better. But
it can't better than Jamaica oxtail. Me say it can't better than Jamaican oxtail. Oh yeah, go travel, go somewhere, go eat oxtail better than who cooking, who make it. How we buy the ox? But a Jamaica buy the ox. Okay. Oh, you mean? Come back to English. Where you say no? Okay, my sister.
Honestly, people, honestly, this is the type of conversation that people should be having around Christmas time. Lord, the little politics, Lord, the one back cas and this. These are the type of real conversations that should be have around this time of year. But burritos, I'd love to hear from you. Are you Team Spice with this year? Believe say at Jamaica, are we really have the nice up, succulent, come off of the bone type of oxtail? Or you feel like the people them over Ghana, like if you don't ever travel to Africa and like me can't really talk about the one here. But for the one them who go over there and have that African oxtail, let me know. Other things that Jesse will point valid, sound off below. Number 9, Prankster Trouble. Me wrong bang. Okay, burritos know. So this story has it just can't end. So for weeks I've been talking about the Hero Circle, Crab Circle saga, and now things have taken yet another turn after, they had the whole opening towards the end of November. And at that opening, some YouTubers thought it was, good content to go there impersonating a health inspector. And so this is a bit of what happened. They put out a YouTube teaser talking about, trying to execute this plan.
How we prank the news and entire Jamaica.
How did I convince restaurant owners, my friends, entire Jamaica, all the media outlets that I'm an health inspector?
Health inspectors today slapped a closure notice on vendors at the popular Hero Circle eatery.
Good in farmers. So no must wonder how we reach this. Here, our editor, just rewind the clip.
I was able to access People Restaurant with an obviously fake ID and fake uniform.
They told you to go lock down the paper shop.
Here, record it.
What's that stuff? What's it?
Exactly. Not even my food and glass can bend, so why would they give you that?
Yeah, and so them do the video, all kind of things, and it draw the attention of course, the health officials, and now there are conversations about them, facing the consequences of that action.
I think it's important for us to take the strongest possible action so that a signal is sent that this is not something that will be tolerated. When a public health inspector goes to an establishment and presents their identification, they should be respected as a representation of the authority of the state, acting on behalf of the people of Jamaica, so that they can be confident that when they go into a food establishment, they feel safe. To engage, to manipulate that process and create an impression that is false is to undermine that process.
Now, under the Profession Supplementary to Medicine CPSM Act, persons who impersonate a government official can be fined up to $250,000 for a first offense. For using a fake ID to deceive, the guilty party may be fined $500,000 or 6 months in prison.
You know, for impersonating a health inspector. Like, they actually went around and, you know, I spoke to some people who, you know, there were some little vendors, and I tell them, so they have to go shut down them practice and all kind of things. And they went to the opening ceremony of the new crab circle area and managed to convince the MC to make him go up there for give a speech. Like, you know, bad to bad, they did it. You know, bad to bad to set out the plan and do it, them can get like, okay, at least they executed that particular plan. And so many people have been having conversation about it. You know, here's my thing. I just keep on saying to the pranksters them, I like when YouTubers are able to think outside of the box and to do something cutting edge on all of this. But like what the Derek say, limit. You have to kind of, you know, you have to safeguard yourself, learn about the rules, learn about just the climate. You know, you cannot know say you're going to carry out a robbery prank where, you know, it's a crime rate turn up and people are very much, you know, anxious and going out there with a certain level of fear because you don't know you might book up on a licensed firearm holder. Similar to this now, you have to go know your limit because look at this now, you're facing a possible fine of to $500,000. No, me don't want them getting on a problem, you know, but that's like a good little warning. But like I understand the need to do something different and I'm always going to support that, but just know your limit. No limit. That is that, man. Okay? You know, Smile Jamaica even invited me and they asked me some questions and they up there talk and them look at things there and yeah, it was a interesting conversation.
This bad publicity. So here we are talking about this guy, right? And there may be somebody else who would love to end up being the topic of debate. So it might push copycats, or will it be a warning to people to not do this?
I think it will be a warning if you, I just think, say, yo, people different. So for somebody like me, it would definitely be a warning. But for others who are risk takers and really want to push the boundaries, and we've seen it where social media and especially like culture right now rewards a lot of bad behavior. We saw it the other day where that guy was trying to get the guy out of the people out of the taxi, and then he was handed a arm. So these things tend to happen. And I'm telling you, as much as we might talk about it, there is a part of society that will reward him. So when he jumps out in the street and somebody says, boy, yo, you do that, you know, that for him is validation. And so we are here to discuss it. And so he will only just, you know, be faced with the consequences, have to deal with it. But I don't think some of them will listen. I don't know. But to all of the upcoming content creators who are in the space, doing the pranks, try to get the attention. Yes, I understand it. But please, just have somebody on the team that will be that point of information person that will come in there and say, you know, according to the law, you this and that and that, and so you can't do this within a certain time frame or in this particular era. Have the little one person there, have a little something there, so even when not do little things them, you don't know the little ballroom when I have to go play in. Fine? Deal? Alright. Number 8, Dexta Concert. Me? What Dexta song again? Shabba Madapat. Okay, now, so Berry does Dexta Daps, you know, big artist, big performer. The man have the lover song them, the man have the dancehall grimy song them. He is just like a full, complete artist, you know. And so he decided to take his concert to Jamaica, and the man got tour around the place now. Him go Kingston, him go in a Ochi, and he's going to give his audience a treat. And so at the Kingston leg that was held at Ronnie Williams, you know, he was there treating his patrons, but in the middle of that, some of the people them who went had an issue with the fact that he was calling him have a bust the youth segment. You know, with the artists them bring on, like, you know, the people them from camp in community who want one little moment on the stage, and so he kept on bringing them up, and the fans were just like, boy, Dexta, I love you and all, but are you I really want to say? I don't want one bag of artists I really know. Are you I come here for say?
Who know what the young artist then? So what if you do on Dexta already yet? Eh? No one ever man feel no back and give me on the ear, say boom boom, get back and Dexta show you. What if you do? Go and play till Dexta forward. Judge God Almighty, my laptop plug out. Only, hold on. Not all I want artist. If you don't go on, go. Boom, boom, boom. You got a tempo from along. Hey! If you're not what you try to eat.
And so, hopefully next up for the next stop here, you probably limit down the time, don't make the fans them text along in the audience until them get to see you so that, you know, the ladies them can feel good and all kind of things. But all in all, the feedback is that it was an excellent show. Yeah, and Berredas, remember in the last social media countdown, I did tell the ladies them, the Berredas them, so they must compliment them, man, to just, you know, just compliment the men in your life and make them feel good, because most of the time, men frightened feel like a compliments because we don't used to it. And this is evidence in this random video of the week. Take a look.
Now, here is this week's random video of the week.
Yes, I watch you smile.
Very cute.
Number 7, DJ Mix, me turntable. Okay, now, I'm not gonna say one thing. Here is why Jamaica need more DJs like this. Like, people who are gonna do something different. Not the regular little, I feel free. No, you don't want the regular same little mix them from 2006. You want something fresh. People are gonna bring in like different comparisons, contrasts. They're gonna pull from something from the 90s and splice it with something in the 2023. You know, the people that have a creative mind and really understand the dynamic you know, nature of like instrumentals and just rhythms, and you know how you can really bring together different sounds, different genres together to really move people within an environment. Oh wow, I'm really just gone off and I chat, so you know. Anyway, people, just look on the video now. I don't know why me I chat so much, you know, like honestly, look like I might need for no limit. Just a yap. Jesus.
Try something else. Try something else. I can cheer. I wasn't perfect. Oh, Lord of mercy, mercy.
People, honestly, that shell, like that is how you run a party. Like that was just like excellent. Berredas, how much in a money pull up you like give him if him to do something like this in our party? And let's just say just walking just rich. How much should I give this particular selector? Sound of below. Number 6, Candy Wow singing. Alright, Berredas know, so you know, Candy Wow, the woman said, can I get a wow? That particular social media personally. So she's back at it again, and we've been seeing a bag of videos just with her singing, performing, dancing, and just entertaining a crowd. And this is just testament to the girl talent, you know, like we know so she have some little challenges and some little struggles, but what you cannot deny is her ability to really just hold her audience, you know, just by just being herself. Take a look.
I got trouble with my friends, trouble in my life. Happens when you don't come home at night. Remember the way you do, you're always on the fire.
That is it, Candy Wow. Can I get a wow for Candy Berrydos watching this? Alright, yeah man. Big up yourself in a Candy, and why? Hopefully we get to see a power screen soon. Number 5, Barber Madness. Okay, now, so Swiss Lee caught up with Valiant recently, and let's just say the artists them and the social media people them have more than one talent, more than one skills. They are, you know, broadening their horizons. Take a look.
Bro, yeah. Nah, lying with that. No, me, not you, me. Give me 3 Little flat. When I am jump up, plan. I'm serious. Yo, you don't move for 2 now. Nah, good to me now for professional. You get it done?
No, I never think so this in the 2023 bingo card. I never saw this happening like Valiant as a barber. Like, no, honestly, you know, but what I have to say is that I really just like how a lot of these artists, they are showing personality these days. The dancehall artists, they are finding it to be okay to dance, to just be jovial, to interact, and to just put on the one bag of badness. And I think that has been, you know, spearheaded by Valiant, especially from the new flock of dancehall artists. Like, he's somebody who's shown a lot of personality and removed that tough exterior that a lot of dancehall artists tend to walk with. In all, this is definitely just a good look. Social media people, dancehall artists coming together, because at the end of the day, this is just, you know, Jamaican excellence on display. Berrydos, what you thought of this random link up? Sound off below. Number 4, Praise 360. You know what? How do I even describe this video? Just watch. No, honestly, I don't know what that woman name. I would have loved to see the final version of this video. Anybody have the finished product of this? Because she up on the 360 and in the middle of that, you know, she started speaking in tongues. And you know what I'm thinking? You know, so the woman probably just nervous, probably like first time I go on it now. When she feel nerves and the anxiety liquor, her mind just says, speak in her tongues and find your peace. That is exactly what happened. Because I'm not going to tell you, know how much big woman I see I try to go up on the escalator. And when they are there positioning themselves, you know, when you see them lean back, so you would think so them do like long jump. When you see them go so fuck up and you have to wonder, how you do? A triple jump you ready for the now? A hurgling you do? Eh? I want to name Megan Tapper. Like, they get so nervous, and most of the times they return to look a prayer, look a word, and so that is what the woman I do for comfort her. And so, yeah, to this woman. Just somebody get me the final version. I need to see it. No.
And now it is time for the big up segment.
Alright, so first up on the big up segment, I have to go and big up Jeffrey on his $2.1 million donation to the Rollington Town Primary High School. He gave them such a treat, bringing artists there, and it is definitely very commendable. And he's not the only social media influencer doing something good like this. We also have to go and commend Rowan Perry. He's brought back his social media responsibility tour that has been making the rounds. He recently visited my alma mater, Excelsior High School, and so that was definitely great. We'll also have to go and big up Shelly and Fraser Price. Let me just shut my mouth in and just look on the dolly in a holler her glory.
Yeah.
Number 3, Little Chinita. Our burritos know. So after going to talk about Tessanne's Voice Box 4 Seasons of Christmas show, I actually went there, did a bit of coverage, nothing too much because, you know, I'm still kind of, you know, just, well, burritos, when I time for talk to you, I'll talk to you. Because I still like I work through a little stuff. But, you know, say at Tessanne, and so once I got the invite, I had to show up and go and support my little Chinita Buddhas and all of these things. So Tessanne, she has a music program where she has, you know, young kids who are eager, interested to, you know, develop their vocal abilities. She's able to give them that space for them to be creative and to just utilize their talents. And so she had the Christmas concert where, you know, they were on full display to showcase all that they have been learning and working on. And people, it was such a good show. Like, first of all, she gets a good amount of support. Like, so many people, especially from corporate Jamaica, just regular everyday Jamaicans came there to just see the kids just, you know, do what they do best, which is to just utilize their voice. And Ramon Watson was there, Christopher Martin, Alain, Romain Virgo, Glenn Campbell, he hosted. So many people were in the building. And of course, Tessanne Chin, she graced us with her amazing vocals. But one of the moments that I forgot to talk to her right now is when she brought her and her daughter, Zaya. No, boy, oh boy, this little girl, she need her own series now because the way how she confidently went up there and grabbed the mic, you know. Let me not say anything. Go on, go watch.
You together it's we want. Yeah. It's we want. You together it's we want. And shine, 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 shine. You together it's we want. I know together it's we want. I know together it's we want. I know nothing but Jana Goma.
Alright, and last but thank you, baby. 30 hours, thank you very much. Alright, and last.
That is it, little Chinita. Alright. That's that Chinita energy right there. Tessanne, man. Tessanne, give her the limelight more. As a matter of fact, like, she need to have her own series. Give her her own concert. Put her anywhere. Put her into Times Square, Alpha Tree Transport Center, which is now the local Times Square now. Put her anywhere, and the whole of we will be here to cheer her on. So, you know, big up yourself, you know, Tessanne Chin. If you want to see the full recap or the highlights of my visits to the show, just comment voice box in the comments and I'll drop the video for you like tomorrow morning or so. Yeah. Anyway, burritos, let me know what you thought of that bit. Sound off below. Number 2, unknown talent. Okay, burritos. So this video is from social media personality, influencer JD Unit. He was recently on the road when this happened.
I find an exceptional talent in Jamaica. I'm want to come here. Hear that lady here. I know there is a sing out, mommy. Sing out, mommy.
But I can't bring myself to swim when I am drowning in this silence, baby. Let me.
What you say?
Go easy on me, baby.
Listen, me, if the producer out there, wanna link me, forget to her. Don't waste our talent. Only need for fine her.
When me tell you, you see the heap of people about the place that have them gift, but just don't have that audience or the right people them for really manage it and put them in front of certain people. Like, this is it, you know, like Jamaica is such a place just filled with so many talented people, both young and old and everyone in between. All we need is just a moment and an opportunity. So hopefully, you know, things stay on social media, you know, if we can really elevate the bad and the Ray, we must kind of something for somebody who is talented. If I even want like a moment for them, get one like a jingle or something like that, hopefully a producer is listening and that will give this woman some moment to really, you know, some stage for her to let her talent shine. So big up yourself, JD, you know, for capturing this moment.
Hey, it's Maya, and you are tuned into the Dutty Berry Show. Keep it right here for more.
And number one goes to Dolphin Tricks. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to Dolphin Tricks. No, people, I saw this video. It went pretty viral on TikTok, and it had to do from the social media account for the Dolphin Cove Ocho Rios, and so it showed some of the employees interacting with the dolphins, and not just that, showing off their favorite tricks that the dolphins do. Take a watch.
Alright, good morning everyone. How you guys doing? My name is Javon. This is my dolphin Yako, and my favorite behavior from Yako is viral. Check out over there.
Hello everyone, my name is Ronaldo, and this is my beautiful dolphin Zeus. And this is my favorite behavior, the flip.
Hello, good morning. My name is Lonia, and this is my dolphin secret. This is my favorite behavior that he does.
Now, honestly, this is when me tell you, like, there is a reason why them say the dolphin them smart, you know, but honestly, I feel like while us as humans are walk around and talk about dunceness and dunce check and all kind of something like that, the dolphins them say, yeah man, smart, educated, IQ, yeah man, 4.0 GPA. That our them dolphins here are walk around and proclaiming. And so honestly, boy, oh boy, I almost look at things like this, man, I say, boy, and some of them dog, come like it's so, they're so hard for train. And look at the dolphin them, look upon them. No, oh wow, you see me do that a while ago? I just started becoming a Jamaican mother and comparing our mongrel dog them to the dolphin them. I should not do that. Comparison is not nice. Boy, oh boy, not me being a Jamaican mother. This no good at all, man. Me I feel, Mongrels, you are fine. So what if you can do tricks like this? So what if your order is a wee raisin? Whenever they are giving a good food, we are giving a little scraps them, the little throat bone them. That is not enough for making a brain develop. So we could do them like acrobatics here and them like gymnastics here, like we Simone Biles. Those dolphins, them grow good. Them get for, you know, them in a little aquatics program, them do a little swimming, them little strength training. They are cared for, loved and all kind of things. The mongrel them, we don't even give them like a bed for go sleep on. We just no business about them. When we want them to take care of our bone, that is it. So I apologize, mongrels. We are the ones that failed you. Gwe dolphin. Square. At the end of the day, gwe. When I'm not back, okay, I'm gonna shut my mouth now. Well, that's it, burritos. You know, let me know your thoughts of the dolphin tricks. We've come to the end of another social media countdown. You enjoyed the video, make sure you say you go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Like the video, man. Leave a comment down below. As well, I say, if you're too lazy to comment, just comment your favorite color then. Do that. That can't too hard. Okay, comment your favorite color. Me I can look and walk through. Okay, and get ready for my highlights video of my visits to Tessanne Chain's the Voice Box Christmas show. Make sure to say you're subscribing because we are still on the road to 300,000 subscribers. Don't forget to like, to follow me on all my social media accounts: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. To advertise within the social media countdown or to book me at whatever event that you might, want the boy to represent. Shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time. Not me in a shades for this whole entire countdown. Merciful Father, it is Christmas. Anyway, let's go. Right, bye-bye. Hey.
All we are to know.
No, you're not gonna come to this in the beginning. Jesus. Boy, you see how them little playlists here? Me I try get rid. Me I try for to start the countdown and look how.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on, it missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, uncover all the topics like I in there. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, how I have me not a week, yo, just tune in, zine.